My very first visit to Italy felt like a dream. From visiting Juliet's balcony in Verona to Florence views, Lake Garda area adventures, and Venice fantasies. This is my street and my canal in Venice. It's the place that made Italy feel like an invigorating home to me. And as my headquarters in Venice, it made my soul feel alive and made my heart begin to beat to the rhythm of the canal water that gently tapped onto my sidewalk wall. It's my last morning in Venice. Today, I fly back home to Florida. But first, there's one thing left to do. And that's to put out my Venice garbage the Venetian way. Come along with me, let's go put out the Venice garbage.
This is my garbage instructions. There's a schedule Monday through Saturday that lets you know what type of recyclables and regular garbage days that it is. My slot to bring out the garbage outside was 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. or after that they can come directly to your home to collect your garbage from you.
Buongiorno. I'm asking if it's okay for me to film. Oh, okay. Grazie, ciao.
Grazie.
Grazie, thank you.
Buona giornata.
Oh, buona giornata. Mia. Grazie, ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much. Ciao. Thank you. Thank you, ciao. Buongiorno! Ciao! Grazie.
To the music.
Hi, good morning. Buongiorno. Buongiorno, good morning, good morning. Buongiorno.
Venetian.
It's on YouTube and Instagram. The Starr Show, it's called. I'll give you my card.
Yani lo stato.
I love it, and I love it in the rain, and it's so special. I leave today. I'm so sad, and I thank you for all of your hard work.
Will you come back?
I will. Oh, thank you.
We still stay here waiting for you.
Hearts.
Have a nice day.
Grazie. Thank you for all your hard work, guys. See you next time. See you back
as soon as possible.
See you as soon as possible. Thank you. Grazie. Instagram, the Starr Show. Bye. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let me put it on. Yes. Okay. Sorry. That's me, Starr, Stella. Okay, the Starr Show. I put follow. Thank you.
The Starr Show.
Yes.
I will follow you.
Oh, grazie, thank you. Thank you. Ciao. See you next time. Okay, see you soon. Bye. Let's go back inside to grab my suitcases, and we're about to have a visitor. It's Ilaria, the owner of my rental home, who came over for me to say a teary-eyed goodbye. I hopped into my water taxi to the airport as the cries of the skies increased to almost match the tears that I shed when I boarded my plane back home.
Lago d'Alessio, which is to the west of Lake Garda. Aw, look, Italy is sending us a double rainbow at the bottom of my window. Thank you, Italy. Ciao.
I have so many more Italy adventures and stories to edit to life into vlogs. I can't wait to share more with you all.